What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video guys I'm going to show you how to sign up for Spotify Premium on your Android device, and you can do the same if you're also on iPhone as well. So what you want to do, you want to simply go ahead and open up your Spotify application on your device. Right now, once you're inside Spotify guys, if you have an account, it will look like this. You will see some of the free music that you have been listening to, or if you don't have an account, you will need to create an account. And as simple as that, you need your email address and you can sign up, create an account with Spotify, and then you can sign in. Now, once you're signed in, you have a few options at the bottom here. You have home, you have search, you have your library, and you also have premium. So in order to get the premium account, you want to simple click on premium, and you will be taken to this page here where you have all the information about the premium account. Pardon the language guys, as you can see it's in two different languages, a mixture of English and Czech, but in your case you'll be able to see the language of your preferred language within the device here. So if it's in English, you'll be able to see it. And if you would like to learn how to change languages within the Spotify application, you want to check some of the other tutorials on this channel so that you'll be able to learn how to do that as well. But there you have it guys, you can see some of the different plans. As you can see, the individual plan here, you have the price, you also have the other premium plans, the student, the duo, the family. So all you have to do is just simple click on whichever option that you may need, choose the option that you desire, simple click on continue with Spotify, or you will continue with Google Pay, and you will be able to pay for your account. And that's all there is to it to easily get a premium plan on Spotify.